Biarritz, a charming seaside town nestled along the Basque coast of France, is a beguiling destination that exudes elegance, coastal allure, and a rich history. With its stunning beaches, vibrant cultural scene, and picturesque landscapes, Biarritz offers an enticing blend of relaxation, water sports, and cultural exploration. The Grande Plage, a pristine crescent of golden sand, is a hub of activity where visitors can sunbathe, swim, and partake in water sports such as surfing and paddleboarding. Biarritz's reputation as a surfing mecca is well-deserved, with consistent waves that attract surfers from around the world. The annual Quicksilver and Roxy Pro France competitions showcase world-class surfing talent against the backdrop of Biarritz's scenic beauty. Perched atop a rocky outcrop overlooking the sea, the Rocher de la Vierge is a picturesque site accessed via a footbridge. The statue of the Virgin Mary stands as a symbol of protection for fishermen and sailors, and the panoramic views of the coastline from this vantage point are truly breathtaking. Biarritz's maritime history is celebrated at the Musée de la Mer Sea Museum, where visitors can learn about the town's origins as a whaling center and its evolution into a fashionable resort destination. The museum also features marine life exhibits and an impressive collection of marine artifacts. The Biarritz Aquarium, one of the oldest in Europe, showcases diverse marine ecosystems and offers interactive displays that provide insights into the world beneath the waves. It's an engaging and educational experience for visitors of all ages. Biarritz's town center, with its historic architecture and lively atmosphere, invites exploration. The Halles de Biarritz, a covered market, is a sensory delight with stalls selling fresh produce, local cheeses, Basque specialties, and crafts. The town's shopping districts offer a mix of upscale boutiques, local artisan shops, and international brands. Biarritz's culinary scene reflects its coastal location and Basque influences, offering an array of seafood dishes and traditional Basque cuisine. From beachside cafes to Michelin-starred restaurants, visitors can savor a diverse range of flavors while enjoying the stunning views. The Hôtel du Palais, a former imperial palace, is a historic gem that has hosted royalty and celebrities over the years. It offers an opulent ambience, luxury amenities, and a glimpse into Biarritz's storied past. In essence, Biarritz is a destination that effortlessly combines a rich history with modern leisure, offering a blend of cultural exploration, coastal beauty, and a relaxed atmosphere. Whether it's riding the waves, delving into maritime heritage, embracing the town's chic ambience, or simply enjoying the coastal scenery, Biarritz invites travelers to embark on a journey that captures the essence of the Basque Coast's undeniable allure.